Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tavas. So today let's know more about the most important festival of Western Odisha, Nuakhai. The state of Odisha is known for celebrating 13 festivals in 12 months. As popularly said in Odia, 12 masare 13 parva. Out of these, Nuakhai is the harvest festival of Western Odisha. This region is densely populated with tribal people whose main occupation is agriculture, and this is why they celebrate Nuakhai. Nuakhai is the most important festival of Western Odisha and is primarily celebrated in the districts of Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Jharsuguda, Balangir, Bargarh and many more. It is also celebrated by the Western Odisha diaspora residing in various parts of the country and foreign lands. Nuakhai is also called Nuakhai Paraba or Nuakhai Bhetghat. The word Nua means new and Khai means to eat. So the occasion marks the consumption of the newly harvested crops and is celebrated on the 5th day of the lunar fortnight of Bhadraba, the day after Ganesh Chaturthi. So now let's know about the history of the celebration of Nuakhai. The festival has its origin from the Vedic period where the rishis used to discuss Panchajagya or the 5 important activities that should be followed by an agrarian society every year. One among them is the Pralambana Jagya, which means the cutting of new crops and offering them to the mother goddess as a symbol of gratitude for giving us food. According to the oral tradition, an organized method of celebrating Nuakhai was started in 14th century by the Chauhan Raja Ramaidev, the founder of Patnagarh state, which is the present Balangir district of Odisha. The practice not only boosted the economy of the area but also brought about a feeling of brotherhood among his subjects. So now let's know how Nuakhai is celebrated. The preparation begins 2 weeks before the actual beginning of this festival. This festival has 9 sets of rituals, and here are the 9 colors in a sequential manner. Beheren, announcement of a meeting to set the date. Lagna Dekha, setting the exact date for partaking of new rice. Dokka Hoka, meaning invitation. Sapha Sutra and Lipa Pucha, meaning cleanliness. Ghena Bika, meaning purchasing. Nua Dhankuja, looking for the new crop. Bali Paka, final resolve for Nuakhai by taking the prasad or the offering to the deity. Nuakhai, eating the new crop as prasad after offering it to the deity, followed by dancing and singing. Juhar Bhet, respect to elders and exchange of gifts. Early in the day, Nabanna or the first harvested paddy is offered to the local deity of the region. Devi Samaleswari in Sambalpur, Pataneswari of Patnagarh in Balangir, Manikeswari in Kalahandi and Sureswari in Sonpur are offered Nua according to the Lagna. Once the rituals in the temples are accomplished, the celebration then shifts to the individual households. People wear new and traditional, especially the Sambalpuri attires. Elders of the family first offer Nua to the deity and later distribute it among the family members. All the family members take blessings from the elders for happiness and prosperity in their lives. Friends and relatives meet and greet each other with a Nuakhai Juhar by folding hands. This festival promotes mutual harmony and brotherhood. Local delicacies like Arisa, Kakara, Monda, Chakuli, Khiri, etc. are prepared and served on this occasion. People sing and perform their traditional Sambalpuri folk dances like Dalkhai, Rasarkeli, Maila Jada, Chutku Chuta and many more. The festival of Nuakhai gives the present society a great message of the relevance of agriculture and the role of farmers in the development of the country. Thanks for watching. Hope you got to know more about the harvest festival of Odisha, that is Nuakhai. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also give me your suggestions in the comment section.